Hey, it's Josh from Sailin' Chocolate. We just came down to the boat after a week of pouring down rain and heavy winds. Monday, I think we had, I think it was like 60 knot winds. Yesterday, I got up to about 30 knots. So we came down here to check on the boat. We're going to take it out for a little bit, maybe go out in the ocean. And let me show you around real quick. So beautiful out. It's cold though today. And you can see here's the dinghy. The dinghy's got a lot of water in it. I don't know if you can quite see that, but it is completely filled up with water. Air's out of it, so that's not too good. So I'm going to start by, I'm probably going to do a quick rinse on the boat because these birds are wreaking havoc on me. They are literally pooping all over the boat. So I'm going to rinse it off real quick. I'm going to dry it. And then hopefully we can get out in the ocean and do a little fishing, maybe a little sailing if the wind comes up. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are heading towards the lower 9 Mile bank right now. We're about, I think, 3 or 4 nautical miles away. It's been a great trip so far. Sun is out, which is nice. A little on the chilly side. I think we're in the low 60s, maybe high 50s out here offshore. The wind's only about 5 knots, so we have the sails down. We may be able to put those up on the way back. The swell is actually like 4 to 6 foot, but it's short period stuff. So I think we're at like 13, 12 second periods. So it is a little choppy, but it's not too bad actually. I did take a half a pill of Dramamine just on the way out, just to kind of keep me cool. I rarely get seasick, but I knew it was going to be a little short period swell, so that's why I took it. We do have all 3 poles in the water. I hope we maybe get a bite, but I don't know if we will. The water's really cold. It dropped down over the last storm we had. I think it's right around 55, 56 degrees. So we'll see. It doesn't hurt to have them in the water and see what happens.
I see it. It's right here.
She was doing a rescue mission to get this fishing lure. Oh, look at you! I think she has it. Look, there it is. Oh my gosh. So this was the culprit. So you can see these big old hooks here? 2 huge treble hooks. Those things grab any kelp that's in the water, although it is deep, diving deep. It still picks up everything. It's just treble hooks. These things catch everything. So this is a big one, man. Dives deep. We're looking for something, but we didn't catch anything on it. We're going to leave it off the boat. We're going to throw the other 2 just surface trollers in right now and see how it goes.
To your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But days I wonder, we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember the tears and the laughter. I'm coming for I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
It's cold too, really cold. Chilly. Look at Natasha. She's around. Natasha. Get the blanket on. It is chilly out here. Well, we're going over there.
The sun is behind us.
Yeah, the sun's behind us now. We're going over there, so we gotta tack on over. Finally back in the slip. It was an incredible day out there. Pretty cold. We had some awesome winds. That wind actually got up to 18 knots at one point. Boat speed, we got very close. I think we hit right about 8 knots, which is just crazy for our boat, which is a 35-foot Beneteau. It hit that, but you know, good winds. We had fun out there today, and now we're all safe and sound back here at the slip. And got to pack up, go get some great food, and head home. So if you like watching our videos, please hit subscribe. We appreciate it and helping us grow our channel, and we will see you next time.